Right, here we have a cart. It's actually the same cart that we used in a previous lab, hooked up to a massless string, and there's a mass down here on the lower right that's hanging. And let's zoom in here. The mass of this cart right here with the two additional metal pieces in there, 745 grams. Again, it's hooked up to a massless string over top of that pulley down to the weight right here. One more thing, just to show that we are in a static equilibrium, if I move this thing, let's see if I do that, you'll see that it travels roughly with a constant speed. There's a tiny bit of friction, but let's see if I can push a little faster. It doesn't seem to be accelerating. It's keeping the same speed the whole time. And I can get it to go downward like that too. So this thing is in a static equilibrium, whether it is moving with a constant velocity or at rest. So what I want you to do is to figure out how much weight is actually hanging here. Okay, so in order to do that, we are going to need some angle measurements. So I've put a line right here pointing to the vertex of my angle, and we're going to use the bottom of the track to measure that angle because it's the bottom of the track that actually makes the angle with the surface here. So I'm going to set up my protractor so that the middle of the protractor is on my line, and see if I can get her to stay. There we go. Okay, so what you have here is that angle, which I'm going to ask you to read for yourself. And then I want you to calculate the amount of mass hanging over here.